How to manage notification in Amazon Prime Video. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you manage Amazon Prime Video notification through the app. So what you want to do is, in order to manage Amazon Prime Video notification through the app or your account, you just want to open up your Amazon Prime Video application onto your device. And moving on, you want to open up your profile section from the bottom of the page and click the gear icon at the top right. And you want to go ahead and click on notification at the top. So as you could see, there are a list of options available, so you could toggle on and off those options, and this way you'll be able to manage notification in Amazon Prime Video. Likewise, if you don't want to go with this lengthy procedure, you could also do the simple trick, that is, launch open settings onto your device, click open app from the list, go to Amazon Prime from the list and click on notification, and here you could just toggle on and off, and that's how things work, or that's how you could manage notification in Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.